Hello everybody, today we're going to be taking a look at the Samson Q9U, and it's an XLR USB dynamic microphone, and we are going to get a close-up look. I'm going to let you hear some samples of how it sounds through the USB or through the XLR, and thank you for watching and stay tuned. Okay, this is the box that it came in. It says Q9U Professional Broadcast Microphone. And it says XLR and USB dynamic microphone, gaming, streaming, podcasting, music recording. And on the side of the box, it shows a picture of some headphones and the mic. And it's includes foam windscreen and USB-C cable. And that USB-C cable is USB-C to USB-C cable. And let's take a look at the mic itself. Okay, so this is the microphone. It is a pretty hefty weight. It does, out of the box, come with the foam windscreen, but if you want to take that off, this is how it looks. It is you can tell it's constructed very well. This is the yoke of the microphone. And this right here, when you connect it to a stand like this, you just twist it. You just twist it on. You don't have to turn it and turn it and turn it and turn it. You just twist this thing on the bottom and it will screw on tightly. And right here on the bottom, it has the branding, Samson Q9U, and above that is a mute switch, on, off. When it's pushed in, it's on. When it's pushed out, it's off. And on the bottom, as you can see, you have the USB-C, you have the XLR, and you have the audio jack output, and you have settings that you can, even more settings you can use with the mic. Okay everybody, I am speaking directly through XLR and it's connected to my computer through my Moanocaster. And I'm going to do a plosives test. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. How many peppers did Peter Piper pick? Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. How many peppers did Peter Piper pick? And I'm right on the microphone. I'm not even like an inch away. So let me know how it sounds. Do you think this sounds better than the USB, worse than the USB, or how do they compare? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Okay, everybody, I am monitoring right now what I am saying through if you can see it, let me push this up a little bit. Sorry for the sound. Through the headphone jack right here, and I am connected USB to my computer. How do I sound? Let's do a plosives test. Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. How many peppers did Peter Piper pick? Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers. How many peppers did Peter Piper pick? So this is the sound you're going to get from USB. And the Samson Q9U, I got it for $99 off of Amazon. I know Best Buy sells it for right now on sale for $169, but I was able to get that sale off of Amazon just for $99, and that's why I got it, because I thought it was a steal. And I looked up other reviews and I saw this was a pretty good microphone. Yes, there are some bad reviews, but I wanted to check it out for myself, and I do really enjoy using it. Alright guys, so those are some examples of how this USB microphone sounds, and XLR microphone. It's the Samson Q9U. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you'd like to, and I'll see you guys on the next video.